Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to join someone on Roblox without being friends. Okay, so this is a very easy and a quick tutorial. So, public games are the simplest way to join someone on Roblox without being friends. Okay, you can search for a game you're interested in, and if it's open to the public, you can join without needing to send a friend request. To find public games, use the search functionality on the Roblox website or app and look for games with a public label. Another thing is that if you search for someone's name and you can't see join here, you can try to add this extension and see if it's compatible to your device. Then you can add the person or you can see the green button that says join and you can play Roblox together without being friends. So to do that, you just have to Google Web Store and type row searcher. Here it is, tap this one, and then you can see here add to Chrome. Click this one, click add extension, wait as it is processing. Okay, so once done, you can simply go back to the profile of the person or that gamer in Roblox and see if you can see that green button that says join. If not, maybe it's not compatible to your device or to your computer. Okay, last is you just have to simply go to groups or public groups. For example, this one here. If you go to a public group or search for a public group, and then this group leader or member decided to play a game, well, you can join the game without being friends with the people in this group. So, in that way, you can join someone on Roblox without being friends. So, these are a few of the methods and how to do this playing without being friends in Roblox. So I do really hope that any of these methods here will help you. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.